Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off JavaScript on Google Chrome with the updated steps. Whether you want more control over your browsing experience, improve security, or just test how a website looks without scripts running, it only takes a few quick taps to make the change. Let's get started right away. The first step is to open Google Chrome on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find a variety of options for adjusting your settings. From that menu, scroll down and choose Settings. This will take you into Chrome's configuration page, where all the key options for privacy, security, and site behavior are located. Inside Settings, look for the section called Site Settings. Go ahead and tap that to move on. Now that you're in the Site Settings area, you'll see a list of different permissions that determine what websites are allowed to do when you visit them. Among these options, there will be one called JavaScript. Select it, and Chrome will open a page specifically for managing JavaScript functionality. Here, you'll see a simple toggle switch. If JavaScript is currently allowed, the toggle will be turned on by default. To turn it off, simply tap the switch, and it will slide into the off position. Once you do this, JavaScript will be disabled across all websites, unless you choose to manually add exceptions later. That's all there is to it. Keep in mind that turning off JavaScript can change how many websites display and function, since most pages rely on it for interactive features. Some sites may not work properly when it's disabled, so it's a good idea to only switch it off if you know exactly why you need to. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off JavaScript on Google Chrome using the updated steps. If you ever want to turn it back on, just go through the same steps and flip the toggle back.